Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view your TikTok search history. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok profile. So just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, and then go down and select where it says settings and privacy. Underneath content and display, select activity center, and then there should be a search history section right here. Go ahead and left click on that. So this should show you all of your search history. And then if you just scroll down the list, you should be able to see all of your search history. If you wanted to delete your search history, you can select the select button at the top and then select where it says select all search history and then the delete option, and that would delete all of your search history. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.